Hello, I'm Natalie, your English teacher, and subscribe for unforgettable experiences and lessons. As you know, I've been teaching English for more than 30 years, and I've got so many incredible stories and fun moments from my teaching journey that I can't wait to share with you. Today, I want to share a story about one of my students, Tom, and his journey with learning English. It's a story about the persistence, courage, and the power of believing in yourself, even when things get tough. Frankly speaking, I want you not only to listen to my story, but also to learn some new vocabulary, so you can see some highlighted words there and you will get the meanings. Like many of you, Tom had big dreams. He wanted to travel, meet people from different countries, and build an international career. But there was one problem. Learning English felt impossible for him. He often told me, "It's too hard. I'll never be fluent." You know, he felt discouraged every time he made a mistake or couldn't understand something. And just like that, he started to believe that learning English was something he'd never achieve. I asked Tom to think back to when he first learned how to ride a bike. At first, he was nervous and fell more times than he could count. But did he give up? What do you think? No. He kept trying, getting back on every time he fell. Eventually, he was riding with confidence. And I remind him that learning English could be just like that. It might seem hard now, but with time and practice, it would get easier. Do you remember any stories of famous people who had to work hard to learn a new language? Let's take Jackie Chan, for example. When he began working in Hollywood, he barely spoke English. But he didn't let that stop him. He studied and practiced constantly until he became fluent. If Jackie Chan could learn English, you could too. Now think about your own dreams. Maybe you want to become fluent in English to make new friends, travel, advance in studies or career. Please pause the video and write in the comments. Why do you want to become fluent in English? It will be very interesting for me and for all the learners. And remember, the road may feel long and difficult, but every step you take brings you closer to your goal. And I like this idea. Every word learned is a step closer to fluency. I also shared with Tom the story of another my student, young entrepreneur named Maria. She moved to another country and struggled with English. At first, he felt embarrassed and shy because of her accent and mistakes. But instead of giving up, Maria used every opportunity to practice, ordering food, speaking with strangers, and even talking to herself in English. Today, she owns her own business and is inspiring others with her story. So, I can give you a piece of advice. Be mindful of the words you tell yourself. Instead of saying, "I am bad at English," say, "I am learning English." Instead of, "This is too hard," say, "I'll take it one step at a time." Positive words make a huge difference in how you feel and keep you motivated to keep going. Mistakes became a normal part of Tom's journey, just like they are a part of everyone's journey. You see, mistakes aren't failures, they are lessons. Each mistake helps you improve, just like each stumble helped Tom learn how to balance on his bike. He didn't let mistakes hold him back. He let them teach him. Now Tom is making incredible progress. He is speaking more confidently, understanding more, and even starting conversations with new people. And you can do the same. Now you know learning English is a journey. So don't rush. Don't worry about every little mistake. Keep believing in yourself and keep going step by step. And if you are ready for the next part of our English journey, check out my next video where I will share 5 easy ways to remember the new vocabulary. Let's keep learning together. If Tom can do it, so can you. And you can download all useful materials for learning English from my Patreon page. Link in the description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!